So if you are somebody that has a quilt shop, for example, this is a great way of getting somebody that comes into the shop that wants to start their patchwork journey in having a go, because it's so quick, simple and easy. It's great for classes, but it's also great for somebody to have at home in their stash, because you never know, somebody will turn up and say, oh, can you make me a cushion cover, or can you make me a quilt top? And so just by doing all of those squares, you might think it's quite easy, but it looks really effective when it's done. And it also means that all those favourite fabrics that you've got, you can keep a little bit of it, all those scraps that you've got. So as you can, and so all of those lines line up beautifully, really good clear corners. And then once it's all pressed and flat, you can pop this as an inlay into a bag panel, a wall hanging, or just make yourself a lap quilt.